Struggling with the unable to save personal settings error in FC26? You are not alone, and you are definitely in the right place. Let's walk through some quick and effective fixes to get you back in the game. Hey everyone, welcome back to Silicophilic, your trusted hub for smart tech fixes and troubleshooting tips. Today we are going to show you what to do when you cannot save personal settings while playing FC26. Let's dive in and sort it out. Method 1. Check folder permissions. Double-click on this PC, then select Documents. Locate the EA Sports FC26 folder. Right-click on the folder, select Properties, then go to the Security tab. Ensure that your user account has full control permissions. Method 2. Create the FC26 folder manually. If the EA Sports FC26 folder does not exist in your documents, create it manually. Right-click in the Documents folder, select New, then select Folder. Now name it EA Sports FC26. Now launch the game and check. Method 3. Check Read-Only attribute. Right-click on the Documents folder, select Show More options, then select Properties. Ensure that the Read-Only attribute is checked. Method 4. Delete the FC26 folder from the Documents folder. Another thing you can try is delete the FC26 folder from the Documents folder. Open the Documents folder on your PC. Here you will see FC26 folder. Right-click on this folder and delete it. This will delete all your save progress, but it can fix the issue for you. Method 5. Verify the game files. Next, check the integrity of game files. Missing or corrupted game files can also cause errors like this. Here is how you can verify the integrity of the game files from Steam platform. Head to the Steam library, right-click on the game and open its properties. Go to the Install Files tab and click on the Verify Integrity of the Game Files option. Wait till the Steam verifies the game files and download the missing file or fix the corrupted game files. Once done, launch the game and check. Method 6. Add FC26 to the antivirus exclusion list. Next, you can add the game to the antivirus exclusion list on your PC. If you have any third-party antivirus, then add the game to the whitelist or exclusion list. Those who are using Windows Defender, here is how you can do that. Type Windows Security in the search bar and select the top result. Select Virus and Threat Protection. Scroll down and click on Manage Ransomware Protection. Next, allow app through controlled folder access and select Yes. Click on Add an Allowed App option. Select Browse All Apps, browse to the FC26 installation folder and select the exe file. If you don't know where the installation folder is, then open Steam and click on Library. Right-click on FC26 and select Manage and then browse Local Files. Check the address of the installation folder and browse to it. After the game is added, run the game and see if the issue is fixed. If the issue persists, then try disabling the controlled folder access toggle from the ransomware protection settings. Method 7. Disable Firewall. You can also disable Firewall for the time being, since it is always recommended not to disable firewalls and antivirus as your system is vulnerable to malicious threats without them. Enable them soon after. Type Windows Defender Firewall in the Windows search box and select the top option. Click on Turn Windows Defender Firewall on or off option. Click on the radio buttons for Turn off Windows Defender Firewall, not recommended options for both private and public network settings. Save the changes by clicking on OK. And there you have it, the methods to fix anti-cheat unable to save personal settings FC26 error. We hope one of these methods have worked for you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and troubleshooting guides. Leave a comment and help others know which solution solved your problem. Thanks for watching and we will see you in the next video.